Welcome. So today is my first day back again in Germany, back again at TUM. I did an exchange semester for the last 6 months in Japan, and so I don't know. I don't know how to feel, honestly. I'm a bit excited to be back, I guess. Since it's the first day, there's not much to do right now before the first class, so it's very chill. But the first class will start in 2.5 hours at 1 p.m. Right now it's 10:30. But before we're gonna go to class, which is a special class today, I've never experienced something like this one. We're gonna go to cafeteria to get some lunch with a friend. And I don't know what else to say, but it feels weird to go to class again, to pack my bag with laptop and everything, put on my shoes with the feel, just knowing that I'm gonna go to class right now feels weird. but I'm excited. So I'm actually very excited about this class because it is in collaboration with another university. So for those of you who didn't know, there are actually several universities in Munich. I think about 4 maybe, which is insane, but also very cool because then it enables us to do some collaboration projects with other universities. So this one is about, well, I have to understand it first, but it's about innovation in combination with design. So my part, I study something about innovation, and today we're going to go to the other university, which is about design. And while walking, I don't know what it is, but I not only feel excited, but also like it's difficult. It's my first day back at TUM, but also my last first day, because it's my last semester. This means the class that starts now will be my last class that I ever have, basically. There's not another semester, and I don't know, like there's so much weight on this. I think I just want to try to, I only have the time now, so I'm trying to take everything in and enjoy the class a lot, because after that, there's not going to be another class. Ever. Which feels weird, but also cool in a way, because it means there's a new beginning after that. And today, since I had so much time today, I decided to just walk to university, or to the cafeteria first. And today, since I had so much time, I decided to just walk to the cafeteria. We're going to a special cafeteria as well. Special in a way that, special in the sense of that it's not actually the cafeteria of TUM, but actually the cafeteria of the Munich University of Applied Sciences. A fun fact about the cards in the universities in Munich, they're all connected. So if you study at one university, you can actually go to every single cafeteria, so just whichever cafeteria is closest to you. And this one is closest to my class right now, because the class will also be held at Munich University of Applied Sciences today. But I'm not going in yet. I'm still waiting for something special to happen. I'm waiting for someone special. I'm still waiting for my friend. I haven't seen him in 6 months. So I waited outside of this university, which in contrast to TUM appears to be a bit smaller and a bit more relaxed. I don't know how else to describe it. So after we arrived, we went inside. Lots of people were there. We went to the food, to the cafeteria. There were a couple of options. In contrast to TUM, in TUM there are more options, but these options here are a bit cheaper. So I guess it has its pros and cons. You get this table, you get your food, whatever you want. You take as much as you want, basically, and then you just, I don't know, that's it. Select whatever you like and pay. Okay, I think this should be enough for lunch, and actually it's quite cheap. It was less than 3 euros, which is a good deal for a cafeteria, and in general, in Munich or Germany, I guess. We just talked for an hour until he had to leave, which meant that I still had lots of time before my class actually started. So I started to explore the campus of the Munich University of Applied Sciences, and everything looks so relaxed. I don't know how else to describe it. And I mean, so beautiful in a way. I mean, it makes sense. It's the Faculty of Design. It should look cool, and it does. After I found a classroom where my class will take place later on, I went outside again to, I don't know, just relax, to read a bit. I'm a bit anxious right now, honestly. The first lecture is coming closer and closer and closer, and I'm just nervous. It's my first time to meet people again, to meet new people. I have to get to know new people again in Germany. So I just try to calm myself down and distract myself with reading, which I did for like 30 minutes maybe. So what I just realized is today it's the first day and you're watching this video, probably want to see something about TUM. And actually what you're seeing is another university, but it's part of TUM. It's part of the TUM life. But nevertheless, there will be more videos and then I'll show you like the campus in TUM, and you can just, I don't know, look at my channel and find some other videos. There are some students selling beer and drinks. So cool. It's time for the lecture. So I'm going back and look at the building. This is the building of the design faculty of the Munich University of Applied Sciences. I mean, how cool is that? Even the letters change. Yeah. While sitting in class, I realized that I've never done something like this before. Never have I ever taken a class like this. And it's way more interesting than I would have ever thought. Class is over now. It's so interesting. It's like the first class where it's more about the process and that you put effort into the process than about the end results. It's a lot about creativity and actually photography and how you can use photography in transformation, which is cool. And I still don't have a clue about it, so that's actually a very good thing, I think. But our day is not over yet. We still have some things to do. First of all, I want to do the homework. This is a rare class where we actually have homework. So I want to get at least a bit into the homework. And then I have to do some research for my master thesis. I'm not doing my master thesis yet, but I have to do some research what I want to write my master thesis about. So that's the second big point today. Because I want to make sure that I like every single class that I have. I typically take more classes than I should take in the beginning, and then I'll kick out the ones that I don't like that much. So today is also the first evaluation of this course for myself, so that I know whether I would like to continue or not. And I think I very much want to continue. So now I can think which other class I want to kick out of my plan. Because I want to find out more about my master thesis topics, I just looked through the topics that were available at different chairs and faculties at TUM. And I think I found one that I might tell you about in one of the following videos. Some sweets that I still have from my exchange semester in Japan. I'm a person who likes to plan, like a lot, maybe too much actually. And because I planned a lot already this year, there were some issues. Because the class that I take right now is, of course, very, very cool and I want to take it. But the class also sometimes takes place on a weekend, which means I now have to take care of my planning and cancel some things that I would not like to cancel. But, well, I mean, the class is cool. I don't have any other choice. Do you know this meme about the goose that's telling you to drink more water? Or actually, maybe it's a duck. Here it is. This is your sign now to drink more water. I don't know what happened, but it felt so good to have this class. Before that I was so like a bit anxious and nervous about the semester. And now I just know it's gonna be great. Like the class is amazing. I'm looking forward to the other classes as well. And the people were so nice. So I don't know, like it's the first time that I get to know new people in Germany again, if that makes sense, because I studied in Japan before that. But it's good. So relieving. I just made an appointment with a professor for my master thesis and so far everything's going great. The class before that was about exploring yourself through photography and also using it for innovation and transformation. I'm so stoked. I'm so excited. Like there were lots of creative people. Like half of the people were from a different university, half the students were from TUM. TUM is very much known for having just exams in the end, so you're very goal driven and just you try to prepare to achieve the best thing in the exam. And here it's more about like the process and reasoning, and it's so cool to see it. It's a totally different approach and I'm so excited to test it out, and also I'll probably learn a lot about myself during that time. So that's cool. I know this has probably been a very short video, so let me know in the comments what you want to see of the TUM life, and check out the other videos. See you in the next one.